You know, Zach should have became a dentist, right? Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervy Specialist. So the guys are here doing a flat tow package, and I believe this is a Roadmaster, right? So we're constantly, no matter what company provides the front tow bar setup for the base plate, we're always having to make some kind of little modifications, like you just seen him with the air grinder, making little adjustments. So whether it be a powder coat issue or something's off just a hair, it's something that we always run into, but it's part of the game. So if you're interested in doing a flat tow, this is a unit that's in here with a Jeep Wrangler, and it's getting set up for a flat tow. If it's something you're thinking about doing and you want to tow it behind a motorhome, give us a shout. You can reach us at californianervyspecialist.com, or you can give us a call at 209-263-7040 and get you on the books to get you set up. We do have a lot of information online, so if you are checking out our websites, www.californianervyspecialist.com, we have multiple flat tow pages for Roadmaster, Demco, Blue Ox. We encourage you to go there. We even have a fit guide, talks about how to make sure that you have the right vehicle, and also that you're making sure that the vehicle that you're going to set up for flat tow, because these are quite expensive to do, between adding in braking systems, wiring, the base plates, and for getting that all set up plus your tow bar, it can add up real quick. And so you want to make sure that you're taking it to a shop that specializes in this. That's somebody that does it on a regular basis. We've done, I don't even know, 500 plus Jeeps, maybe 1,000, somewhere in that neighborhood. So we have a photo album on our Facebook groups and also in our business Facebook group, which is californianervyspecialist.com. And you'll see that there's just like hundreds and hundreds of flat Jeeps that we've set up for flat tow, all different colors, sizes, brands, and whatnot, along with all kinds of other vehicles that we do. We even do pickup trucks and whatnot. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. And lastly, if you're going to go ahead and do something like this to your unit, whether it be any kind of a car that is set up for flat towable, make sure that you contact your insurance company afterward and let them know that you invested that kind of money into getting the vehicle set up, so that way in the event that the unit for some ungodly reason got stolen, or if it got hit in a car wreck, if it wasn't connected to a motorhome, that you can try to get some of that money recouped from that. And then of course, if you go to resell the vehicles, now that this has been customized and had braking system put in it and light systems in it and base plates and all that, but that does add value to that tow vehicle. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these videos. This is Dustin, Zach, and Gino, and those guys are doing all the hard work, and I'm just here staying hot, videotaping them in the background. Thanks so much for watching.